Welcome to K12 Schools. We are thrilled to have you join our vibrant community. Hi, myself Tanushree Sharma. I am the ICT head at K12. At K12, we offer varied curriculums to the students. The Indian curriculum, the British curriculum from ages 3 to 18 years old. We say that we're an online school and we go beyond boundaries. We have students across 40 plus nationalities across the globe, which lets each child interact with students across the globe. Beyond academics, we provide a rich tapestry of opportunities for students to hone their skills and develop socially. At K12, there are not only podcasts which are being offered to the students, but being accessed to different TEDx speakers to make our classes more interactive and assess the students' track progress. We are using the best technology which is to be offered in an online setup. We not only use the world's best platform Canvas as our learning management system, but we also have interactive tools which are being used in the classrooms. Unlock your potential and embark on a transformative educational journey at